we are looking at how to pronounce the name of this archipelago of islands located in the middle of the Atlantic Ocean that belongs to Portugal. How do you say it? Well, there are quite a few different ways of pronouncing it. For reference, in Portuguese and in Brazilian, this is said either as Acores or Azores. Now, in English, there are also two different ways of pronouncing it. In British English, this is normally said as Azores, Azores. In American English, however, it is usually pronounced as Azores, Azores. So, in English, it's either Azores or Azores. And now, you know it all. Did you get this? Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments and by using the like button. Thank you kindly for your support. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more interesting geographical names and names of countries and islands whose pronunciations aren't always obvious. Many get them wrong. You won't after watching those. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.